Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Confidence and I am really glad you're here. This video is a little peek into my daily life as a stay-at-home mom, someone learning to grow in her virtual assistant journey, and just a regular mom trying to do her best each day. Okay? It's not perfect, but it is definitely real. And I hope while you watch you feel calm, encouraged, maybe even a little less alone in your own busy life as well. So let's begin this vlog. I had already gotten up before this clip started. You know that morning when your eyes open before your alarm or before the kids wake you up? That was today. I quietly stepped out of the room and first thing I checked the time. It was a habit and it was 5 a.m. in the morning. I don't rush into anything immediately. I sat in the room and whispered a quiet prayer. Not long prayer, just a soft moment with God, asking for grace for the day, also asking for His help and mercy upon my family and my loved ones. Okay, hope you pray every day too in the morning. Always seek the face of God first. I know I had a lot to do, but I try not to start my day in a hurry. The little pause, just be still, is something I'm learning to not skip anymore. I'm not skipping anything anymore. I'm just taking it one day at a time. I don't want to rush anything. After praying, I walked into the kitchen. The light was already on, so it wasn't too dark or shocking. Funny, right? Before touching anything, I just leaned on my kitchen counter. This is what I do every time I enter the kitchen in the morning. You know those mornings when you stand there and reflect like, okay, we go again today. That was me, just thinking. I didn't say anything out loud, but in my mind I was planning out the day, how my day is going to go, the food, the school run, the chores, my VA job, my VA career that I'm chasing, just everything. I'm just thinking about everything, how my day is going to go, how I'm going to do everything, just me. Then I opened the kitchen window, not just for fresh air, but for peace. Sometimes there's something about fresh air that makes the kitchen feel less heavy. You know, when the kitchen is being closed in the night, like you come inside the kitchen, everywhere is hot. I love that fresh air that comes in when you open the window in the morning. I boiled water for bathing. My children, they use hot water to bathe in the morning before going to school. This is cough and catarrh period. While that was going on, I started working on the kids' lunch as well. I started prepping the food we are going to take to school. Today we are not doing much. We are just going to eat plantain. We are going to eat spaghetti like I'm making here. We did not use plantain today. Sorry, I'm saying plantain. So making lunch for the kids. Yeah, sounds simple at times. Making lot for the kids sounds simple until you're doing it every morning, like every day of your life. Waking up every morning, packing food, checking their bags, making sure nothing is forgotten. It is not easy. Give it up for every mom you know out there. They are really doing a good job. It is not easy at all. Making sure that their kids are well taken care of, going to school, and you're not forgetting anything. It is actually a big thing. After packing their food, I went to wake them up, and that's always a small event between me and my children. Some days they get up cheerfully, like, okay, like my first daughter, okay, mommy, today is school, okay, let's get ready for school. And other days they don't, like, mommy, are we going to school again today? But well, we manage it, we wing it. So we dress up for school, come back to the kitchen and make breakfast. I try to involve them like when I can. It makes things little slower. You know, kids now, they are still little. But at times they just want to help me in the kitchen. And I like it when they are, okay, mommy, can we help you? All those little here and there, bonding time. And I love it for them as well. So after breakfast like this, we headed off for school. Like going when they are off for school like this, it feels good to step out outside in the morning when they are off. But I didn't show that in today's video. At times I used to take a walk, like walk out, but I did not video other parts today, and I did not walk out actually today. So after dropping them off for school, it gives me a tiny break, even if it's short. Yeah, even if it's short and they'll soon come back from school and everywhere at home again will just be, oh, they are back, everywhere will be scattered. Mommy, my sister did this, you start separating fights. Honestly, nobody told us about this part, about this motherhood part. It's just about the getting married, give birth, take care of your family, but the whole thing in between, our parents did not tell us. Nobody told us all this part. Like nobody said it is going to be hard. There are days where you wake up, you will cry like, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do this anymore. But in between, it's still, there's joy that comes with it, being able to do all these things for your family. So it's not easy. So after taking them to school, coming back home after school drop off, is entering another zone entirely on its own. The house is quiet. That's when I roll up my sleeve and start thinking of what to do. The first thing I did after I dropped them to school, I washed the plate in the sink. I don't like them being piled up. I sweep the house, fold the clothes because I washed clothes the other day and I was not able to fold them. You know, this is raining season period. When you wash, the clothes is just there like that. So I have to start folding them because they've been on the bed for a long time. So I folded the clothes on the bed and I started thinking about what to cook, soups and stew. That was everything on my mind that particular day, the tasks I'm going to do. So I just get on doing them. While doing all these things, my mind will still be running about what to do, how I was just thinking about how to grow my YouTube channel, starting up my YouTube channel. I think that will be a story for another day. It was not really easy for me. I procrastinated a whole lot. And I'm someone who loved YouTube, but I procrastinated to start up this YouTube channel. Please, if you're watching my video, please support me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I know my video might not be perfect, but this is real. This is my journey. I'm taking it one day at a time. Please support me any way you can. Subscribe to my channel. They are not going to charge you anything for subscription. Please support me. Share my videos to your friends and family. I know you might not be seeing a perfect video, but I am growing one day at a time. Please help me and let me continue this YouTube journey. Okay? After cooking, I ate nothing fancy, just what I had. And I took a little pause, not long because I still had other things to do. I moved to my desk area to do some editing. That's something I'm working hard on, learning to tell better stories on my YouTube channel, learning how to make my videos smoother as well. And I also squeeze in time for my virtual assistant training. Some days it feels like too much, other days I'm just proud of the woman I am becoming. I didn't show when I had my bed, but I did, and I just needed a quiet time to refresh. You get? Then it was time to pick the kids. That moment when you hear the clock and you're like, oh, it is time again to go and pick them from school. The other clip is just all settling down and me unpacking their lunchbox, checking what they ate, wiping some messes like cleaning up the whole house. At times, having a clean house when the kids are back from school is impossible. It is not easy. So that was pretty much my day. Simple, busy, original, but also full. And I know some people will not see the beauty in it, but me, I see it and I'm learning and I am embracing everything I do from henceforth. Thanks for watching and spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you're also figuring out your life as a mom or a new career person, just know you are not alone. We are learning together. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel till I come your way next time. My name still remains Confidence. Bye.